19 years old in Sakamoto. Young gun coming into this tournament. Junior world champion this year. So we'll correct that. Lost out at the World Junior Championships against Bagirov, Azerbaijan.
Саймадан үй интернети менен телевидение. Интернет секундасына 300 жана 500 мегабитке чейин. Ылдамдыгы тим эле кайф. 220дан ашык телеканал. Ар кандай табит үчүн. 5 онлайн кинотеатр. Тасмалар, сериалдар жана мультфильмдер акысыз. Кубаттуу гигабиттик Wi-Fi роутер акысыз. Баасы айына 1080 сомдон баштап. Тез арада билдирмеңизди калтырыңыз.
Алмаз Уулу working him on the edge. Does get the point for the push out. Алмаз Уулу, 24 years old. Qualified for the Olympic Games in Kyrgyzstan, in Bishkek, and then went on to place 5th. Won 2 matches, lost 2. Missed out on that bronze medal. Just 24 years old, has got still a lot to work on. A lot to work towards. Arm spin attempts there. Slip throw though given. So it's white paddled. No points on the board. So 2 points given. And Алмаз Уулу on that high chest wrap. Trying to go for a turn there. Hooks his legs in. Sakamoto on that foot. Makes it very difficult to get the roll. He's going to step over the top and get the 2 on the exposure. Let's get the 2. And on that leg laces there, trying to turn him as well on that 2 points, but doesn't quite get it. A great first round of action between these two, as expected at 57 kilos. Nice lightning quick action to start the first round. Алмаз Уулу just give him a shrug off, goes for that underhook, overhook. Nice duck under there from Алмаз Уулу. Comes behind, breaks his man down for 2. Excellent work from the Kyrgyz wrestler. He's got that trap arm on that side. He'll get the turn on the exposure. Another 2 on the board. 7-2 for Алмаз Уулу, and he's got that arm still trapped. He's going to try and go for one more roll on this left side. Reaches for the neck, gets it really deep in. He's using the hips as a wench to try and bring him over. The flexibility of Sakamoto saves him in that position. Beautiful shoulder throw attempt there. Going for that roll. Trying to come out the back door for 2. Does he get it? Two has been given by the referees. 7-4, Алмаз Уулу. And 5 seconds left on the clock. Алмаз Уулу stays on the hunt, stays stacking points and puts another 2 on the board. 9-4 for him, and he's going to advance into the quarterfinals later today.